In terms of the music industry, it's helped me massively with my confidence, especially playing in front of people. Yes, it's been a really good experience all around.
I think music's inherent in you because you've got a pulse, you've got a heartbeat, so you've got a natural rhythm. So I think everybody can do it, and a lot of people say, well, I can't do that, so you show them how and they feel like they're 10 foot tall.
Look, before we would never have even thought about doing an open mic, like an open day where people can come and listen to us play music.
This kind of helped us get up and actually sing in these open mic nights as well.
Yeah, definitely, and perform, and even things like talking, like things like that are a little bit easier because you feel more confident in yourself.